Welcome back. Now we are ready to move on to reviewing an event. To review an event, we will head over to the schedule module. Inside the schedule module, we will press the schedule submodule. In order to review an event, a person has to already have understood how to run the time clock, how to research the amount of time that was there, needs an understanding of the amount of money that we charge per hour, the charge for different fees, and a whole assortment of information. All of that won't be covered in this module, but what will be covered here is just physically how to go inside an event in order to edit it, review it, and prepare it for the invoice phase. In a previous lesson, we were looking at an event for Mr. John Bobbington, which was an event. We're going to edit that event for ease and simplicity. We can find the event either inside this calendar, or we can change it over to grid view and then search for him specifically, assuming, for example, that there would be many events in which we'd have to search for. We're going to choose the today view, the grid view, and I have already entered into the search filter the John Bobbington name, and here is that one entry. We're going to go in. We know that it was $100 estimated to be the service, and we're going to go in and edit it. Let's just say that we were aware that it cost a little bit more than was intended. So originally we expected that it would be a $100 service. We're going to add that $100 here. For some reason that has not been saved. And let's just say, for example, we need to add an additional line item. There happened to be a dump fee that was related to this job. Let's say that dump fee was $25. Let's also say, for example, that perhaps they used some spray here, and that was another $20. And the customer also requested just a little bit of additional time. So we will do additional time, and then we will choose 1 hour at the rate of $58. Our new total is now $203, so we would need to edit the 100 to 203. And we would need to edit the notes field down here also from 100 to 203. Once we are done, we want to just double check that it says 203, it says 203, and it says 203. They all match. Everything is looking correct. And we will update the visit. And now the event is here, and we can review it again from the outside. The visit total is 203. The visit notes say 203, and the event title says 203 as well. So everything is looking pretty good. We are almost done with the review. The only thing we need to do now is just close the event. We will select this event and then click the close button. Not close an invoice, but just close. We will select yes, we want to close the event, and the event will then turn green, and we will be done with that step. And that is how we review an event. That concludes step 5.